Hello everyone, this is Adam, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to the remarkable world of Hunter Stone. We're your trusted partner for sourcing custom stone for your next project. At Hunter Stone, we've established relationships with numerous quarries all across the United States. This means we can offer you an incredible variety of stone options, each with its own unique look and blend. Whether you set your heart on a specific stone for your project or you're open to exploring new possibilities, we've got you covered. Once you've made your choice, the rest is quite a breeze. We'll locate the exact stone you desire or provide you with a selection of similar options to choose from. And here's the best part. Once we've identified your perfect stone, we'll have it cut and shipped directly to your location. You can count on us to get your stone on site in no time at all. At Hunter Stone, we're committed to delivering nothing but the best. Our dedication to quality and excellence ensures that your project will shine with the finest materials available. So why choose Hunter Stone for your next project? Well, it's quite simple, because we're dedicated to making your vision a reality. When you work with us, you can expect top-notch service and perfect stone to bring your project to life. Make Hunter Stone your next contact for all your stone needs. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.